Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a feature code to your feature list. So this is very useful if you're wanting to do anything with GIS work where you want to attribute a lot of different information to a single point. So to do that, what I'm going to do within FieldGenius here is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner and click on my plumb bob icon. And then in my main menu, I'm going to click Settings and then Feature List Editor. And you can see here that I get a separate application actually to FieldGenius, and that is the MicroSurvey Feature List Editor. And with this editor, what I can do is I can add features that I can then attribute to my GIS attributes when I'm creating a new point. So in this case, let me add a description here of, let's just call it a poll. And then if you can see that once I hit enter, it automatically fills in my database file name. So let me just create a couple here and hit tree and OK, add features and so on and so forth here. Let me add one final one here of a train crossing, like the one that is outside of our office here. And what I'm going to do once I have those created is I'm going to hit Save Feature List, and I'm going to create my feature list that I can then use in future projects. I'm just going to call mine Feature List 1 and hit Save. I'm going to save it in my FieldGenius project so it's nice and easy to find next time. And now with that created, the next time I go to make a project, when I'm loading that up, there's the option for the feature list at the bottom. In my project information, I can select a feature list I would like to use that will then be attributed with all of my points. And that is how you create a new feature list in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or website, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.